Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview ProTeam Mustard and Black Magic. ProTeam Mustard and Black Magic effectively removes all forms of algae and maintains clear swimming pool water. This product is non-metallic and non-staining. It leaves no offensive chloramines and does not contain ammonia. Mustard and Black Magic restores water clarity and has a sanitizer exciter, which lowers your consumption. Best of all, Mustard and Black Magic is made right here in the USA for the highest possible quality, allowing you to buy with confidence. Product benefits: destroys algae fast, restores water clarity, requires small dosages, leaves no offensive odors, does not create additional chloramine in water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.